I just wanted to do a quick video of how to take a broken light bulb out of a light socket. So this one right here, as you can see, it is completely busted down in there. I've seen some videos where people will take a potato and shove it in there, and that'll work sometimes if you have enough glass shards and enough of the rim sticking up above the socket itself. But if you have a case like this where you can see that that is flush, and you're probably not going to get a hold of anything with that. So first thing you want to do is you want to make sure that the power is off. You do not want to stick your finger or anything in a light socket if the power is on, so make sure that the power is off to the light. And what I like to do is take an old cloth, an old rag, washcloth or something. I like this microfiber here because it's real grippy. And what I do is I'll take and wrap it up just a few times there to where it's small enough I can get it down in there, because there's going to be little pieces of glass still in this, and so you don't want to just shove your finger in there even with the power off or something. So what I like to do is take it and get that pushed in there enough, and then I'll take it and put a little, hold until it feels tight, and hold a little bit of pressure against it just to break the bulb loose and I can hear it twist. And then I take the cloth and kind of put it out around that, and you don't want to use like a ton of pressure with this because the bulb, it needs a little bit of room to unscrew out of there. And then you can take the rag, and once you feel a little bit of the lip coming out, you can kind of grab that and help to twist it out with the rag so that you're not going to get any cut. Just like that, it's in the rag, all the glass, you're not going to cut yourself. And then since it's an old rag, you can just take this thing and just throw it in the trash, because I'm not going to reuse that now, it's full of glass. And then just put you a new bulb in your socket just like that, and you're ready to go. So God bless, have a wonderful day. I hope this helps.